Have you had your eye on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3? Wondering if the Creator Combo Kit is worth it for you and your content creation? Well, you're in the right place, because today I'm breaking down everything that comes in the kit and why it's perfect for creators like you and me. Let's get into it. So first is the Osmo Pocket 3, the star of the show. It's lightweight, portable, and shoots ridiculously smooth footage, even when you're on the move. If you're a vlogger or love capturing moments on the fly, this is your best friend. Then we have the Type-C to Type-C PD cable. You know that moment when your gear dies right when you're in the zone? Not with this. Quick charging equals less downtime and more creating. Then we have the Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. If you're clumsy like me, this is a lifesaver. It keeps your pocket safe and scratch-free when it's tossed in your bag. Then we have the DJI Wrist Strap. As a content creator, photographer, videographer, I always have a fear of dropping my gear when I'm on the go. With this strap, problem solved. It's all about convenience and peace of mind. Then we have the Osmo Pocket 3 handle with 1/4 thread. And this is perfect for attaching the Pocket 3 to a tripod or any other mount. Stability is key when you're shooting any type of cinematic shots or content. And this handle makes it so easy. Then we have the Osmo Pocket 3 wide-angle lens. Y'all, this lens has my heart. It gives your video that extra field of view to capture more of the moment. Think travel vlogs, cityscapes, creative indoor shots, you name it. If you haven't watched my first video about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, where I recorded with it for the first time outside, which is actually going viral on TikTok right now, and I'm shocked. But I used the wide-angle lens for that whole video. Then next we have the DJI Mic 2 transmitter in shadow black. Audio can make or break your videos, and this mic delivers great sound. Plus, there are no awkward mics in the frame. It's discreet and sleek. And then to pair with the mic, we have the DJI Mic 2 clip magnet. This is genius. You just put the magnet in your shirt or wherever you want to have it, and then you clip the mic on it, and it just stays. No wires, no fuss. Just effortless sound. And then we have the DJI Mic 2 windscreen. If you're recording outside, wind noise can often be annoying when you're shooting your videos. This windscreen has been pretty great. But if it does not fully cut out background noise for you, then you can do some editing with noise reduction with whatever software that you use. Then we have the Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle. If you normally have long filming days, this handle keeps your Pocket 3 powered and charged up, so you don't have to stop your creative flow. Then we have the Osmo Pocket 3 mini tripod. This is perfect for stable shots, setting up time lapses, or even propping up your camera while you do some talking content. Now, I don't use this too much because I do like to use my bigger tripod when I want to capture shots from a higher angle. But this smaller one can be useful for you if you have the DJI on your desk or even on your car dashboard. And lastly is the Osmo Pocket 3 carrying bag. So this keeps everything organized and easy to grab when you're heading out for a shoot. Because let's be real, who has time to be digging through gear? I keep my DJI and its accessories in here at all times. And it has pockets to store all of the accessories. So there you have it, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo Kit. If you're looking to take your content to the next level, to me, this kit is worth it. It's designed for creators like you and me who want ease, versatility, and quality in our gear. So if you were interested in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the Creator Combo Kit, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Catch you in the next one.